Hey friends, it's Allie from Allie Scraps, and I'm going to be working on my July 2023 goal sheet that I like to put in my Scrappy yearbook planner. So I'm trying to do these beginning of every month. I'm not always successful, but I thought July, second half of the year, let's try this. So this is one of the pages that's included in the Scrappy yearbook. Just as my goals, and then I'm going to obviously circle and then just kind of list out things. And of course, since I'm me, we're gonna make it a little decorated, of course. So I'm gonna speed this up while I decorate it, and then I'm also gonna show you how I'm going to be making a tab for the top so I can easily flip to it with my new sticker maker. So we're gonna do tabs and make it really easy to stick them down. So I'm gonna speed this up and I'll see you in a minute.